It's our favorite day of the year. The last part of the tour, we land in the shop. And that's the fun part. That's what the students really love. So what you will see is they are changing oil and they are tearing down engines and they are learning to use a scan tool and diagnostics and talk to the cars. And they are talking to our mechanics and our service department.
My home school, it was Verona High School, but I went to the same tech as they came from, which is Highland Springs. And my teacher, Mr. H. Hedgespath, everything he told me inside that class, it really translates to the actual deal. So my advice from kids that come from his class, everything he tell you, I say take it into consideration because it is true.
Time is money. If they can come in, be efficient, then they'll make more money. The more business they do, more business they bring to the dealership, the better they are and the better off the dealership is.
It's one of the things we love to share with students is that being profitable allows us to participate in our philanthropy that then comes back to our community that they live in.
I absolutely love it. I think it's a lot of fun here, and especially as someone who didn't grow up around cars and like, I didn't grow up around people that loved cars as much as some other people did. So being here for the first time, honestly, is kind of surreal.
And it helps give them a great frame of reference if this is their chosen career path. It gives them a taste, and then when they are eligible to leave school early to come to work after winter break, we may have a few new faces in the shop as a result of this experience day.
They don't have to go to college. They can come right out of high school as a certified tech and make all the money they want.